Okay, I'd like to focus on the compass directions and how they relate to angles. So our compass directions, north, south, east and west, talk about a complete circle of direction. That of course ties in with an angle which relates to 360 degrees of a circle. For example, from north to go 90 degrees to the right would have me landing at east, or 90 degrees to the left would have me at west. Or if I'd started facing north and turned 180 degrees to the right, or even 180 degrees to the left, I'd now be facing south. Let's go outside and give that a go.
So you can see my compass here pointing north because the white arrow is matching the red north arrow. And if I walked forwards, but then decided that I wanted to turn right 90 degrees, you can see the white line moving around until I get to 90, and I'm now facing east. Or if I decided to keep turning a full 180 degrees, you'll see my white line now match up with south.
Now what if I wasn't facing north to begin with? For example, what if I was facing west? And then I turned, say, 270 degrees to the right. By measuring the angle of my turn, I can now see that I arrive facing south. Let's go out again and try that.
So I'm facing to the west right now, and I know that 270 degrees is 3/4 of 360. So if I spin around past 1/4, 1/2 turn, all the way to 3/4 of a turn, 270 degrees, you can see I'm now facing south.
And we can become even more accurate in our compass directions. For example, if I start by facing southeast, and then I turn, say, 90 degrees in a clockwise direction, 90 degrees being 1/4 of a turn, you can see that I'm now facing southwest. Or if I started in southeast and turned 180 degrees in a clockwise direction, you can see that I'm now facing northwest.
So I'm now facing southeast, and you can almost look at the compass and you can see that if I turn half a circle around, or 180 degrees around, I'm going to end up at that northwest position. So I cycle through 1/4, halfway around the compass, and now the white line shows me facing northwest.
This becomes really simple if you just remember the different angles that we can turn. 90 degrees being a 1/4 circle, 180 degrees being a half circle, 270 degrees being 3/4 of a circle, and 360 degrees being a full circle, taking you right back to where you began.